Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use email relay on Craigslist. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Craigslist website right here, craigslist.org if you have not already. So after opening it up, it's going to open up this home page where you can find all the categories that you can use for browsing items. And the first thing we want to do is to go and log into our account. So in the upper right corner, you can use the account tab to go and sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go and log in normally. So once you're logged in, now we can get started. So let's go and take a look at this article right here on Craigslist.org on CL Mail Relay. So basically, Craigslist creates a randomized custom email address for each posting, and when replying to your posting, you'll see an address something like this, and when answering an email, you'll see an address something like this. So you can use your email program as you normally would, and it's going to automatically create these emails for you, so you do not get spam directly to your mail, and people do not know your mail directly and what your real email is. They're always going to be sending to something like this, or you're going to be receiving messages to something right this. So basically guys, this is the email program that is visible to the recipient, so keep that in mind. And basically it's automatically turned on. You do not have to turn on anything. It's not going to use your real email that you have used for when creating an account. So that's how you do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.